Hi, welcome to our restaurant. Can I help you?
Hi, thank you. Can I have a table for one, please?
Of course, let me show you. Please come this way.
Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Thank you. What I have recommended food today?
Meatball and noodles chicken.
That sounds okay. I will like to have that.
What would you like to drink?
No.
No. Okay, please wait a moment while we are prepping your order. Here you are, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
May I have some sauce?
Oh, sure. This is the size.
The bill, please.
That will be 10,000. Thank you. Have a good day.